Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanks for stopping by again. Back on the Lone Star Grills offset today. Got two packs of, or two racks rather, of spare ribs, and we're just going to do a little quick simple cook. I'm actually going to be using some of my favorite rub in the whole wide world. You know it, Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicier. And I got a new one from SuckleBusters I've been wanting to try. It's Texas Pecan rub. It's the Texas Pecan Barbecue right there. But y'all go check out Uncle Steve, UncleStevesShake.com. Get y'all some of that goodness. Go check out Dan and Cheryl over at SuckleBusters, SuckleBusters.com. They have some good stuff over there also. Now, what I'm going to do, y'all check these little racks out. And I did pull the membrane off the back. I am going to I'm not big on binders, y'all. Y'all know me. I'm going to hit these with a little parquet, and I'm going to do one rack with Uncle Steve's and one rack with the SuckleBusters. So let me get these seasoned up, and I'll meet y'all out by the grill. So we have SuckleBusters in the front, Uncle Steve's is in the back. Top rack cooks a little hotter. Just a little experiment with the flavors here. I'm curious to see the pecan rub, how much that's going to amp up the wood flavor from the pecan wood right there. So we'll come back and check them in a little bit, y'all. I want to see how our temps look. Went about 2.5 hours in. 152. On the SuckleBusters and 153 on the Uncle Steve's. Run them up and let them get tender. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, about 3.5 hours in here. About 270. Something like that. Looking nice, y'all. Got warm back there. It's pretty darn tender. 200 degrees, look at that. Tender. 195, 197. A few more minutes, and we'll get them over and let them rest. All right, gang, we're back inside here. We're going to do our Cajun Tater Salad. Daddy Ranch Crab Ball Concentrate. And I'm doing a small batch. I'm just going to put as a cap of that in there. Some salt. I'm going to grab a couple of eggs and drop that in there and let that go. So we'll let this roll, and we'll be back in a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice and tender. Right at 200 degrees. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're going to pull these off of here, guys. We'll put them inside and let them rest, and we'll get our tater salad stuff finished up, so we'll be back. About 4 hours, we got our ribs pulled off. They looking good. That SuckleBusters on the right here. Uncle Steve's on the left right there. Now come over here. Let me show y'all. This is our Cajun Tater Salad here. And just boil your potatoes till they soft. And I did 2 eggs. I boiled 2 eggs in my potatoes there. And I just kind of smashed them up. And throw that in there like that. We're going to put a little salt in here, fresh cracked black pepper, about that much, a little mustard, and it's just a small batch, y'all. It's just me and Carrie going to be eating, so a couple of big tablespoons full. Alright, we're going to stir all that up. Remember, you can always add, you can't take away. So, alright, y'all. Something like that. We don't show size too much because we're just mainly focusing on the main dish, you know. But, imagine y'all see a few more sides this year. Alright, so we'll get that finished up in just a second. We'll let these ribs rest, and See what else we're gonna do. We'll get the plating up here shortly, so y'all hang loose. Y'all welcome back. We got everything done. Did some little garlic bread. Miss Carrie's hungry, so I cut her some ribs off. But y'all come down here. Check this out, man. Alright. This is the SuckleBusters right here. Not cut her some of those off. Look how pretty nice mahogany color. Nice smoke ring. Now, and this is a SuckleBusters Texas Pecan barbecue rub right here. Show us some juicy ribs, I tell y'all what. Alright. Nice and juicy. And that was the sweet and spicier rub. So let's see. So I'm just curious to see how the pecan tasted with the pecan. So here's SuckleBusters right here, y'all. Come on, camera boy. Cheers to you, gang. Clean pull. Get a little hint of that pecan. It kind of tastes like Uncle Steve's. Little hint of pecan on it, and the wood smoke is good too. So not spice, just a good all around little flavor. A little bit of sweet. All right, now Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier. That's gotta be one of my favorite rubs, y'all. Hands down. Hands down. Uncle Steve got it going on. SuckleBusters one more time. I'm sorry if I'm making y'all hungry. Pardon me. Two different rubs, two great flavors, y'all. I'm a big fan of Uncle Steve, y'all know that. I love my SuckleBusters, and this is actually the first time I've used the Texas Pecan barbecue rub. That's really good stuff. I'll be using that again. But I'm a big fan of Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier. Anyway, 50-50, win-win again, I think, to be honest with you now. If I had to choose, I'm going Uncle Steve's, man. That's just how it is. But anyway, look, get y'all some plate pics. Y'all have a great weekend. Thank y'all for stopping by. See y'all next time.